Once a child is diagnosed with cancer, the whole family is affected. And the Cancer Association, we want to raise funds to be able to help the next child.
Time now for MYD Heart. This is Script in the Afternoon on your favorite place to be. And International Childhood Cancer Day is commemorated annually to raise awareness and to express support for children and adolescents with cancer, survivors and their families as well. And each year, approximately 300,000 children are diagnosed with cancer, a disease that touches countless families and communities in all regions of the world. With access to quality care, more than 80% of children with cancer can survive, living full and healthy lives. However, many children in low and middle income countries do not receive or complete care, and as a result, over 90% of childhood cancer deaths occur in low resource settings. And in an effort to fight childhood cancer in Namibia, the Cancer Association of Namibia, with the support of Alex Forbes, is hosting a Yellow Ribbon Festival this month, with proceeds to be used for campaigns on childhood cancer awareness. Now, this project forms part of a global campaign to create awareness and to raise support in the fight against various forms of childhood cancers that affect our youth. And joining us on MYD Heart this afternoon, we have Sister Aina from the Cancer Association of Namibia to share more details on the signs and the symptoms. Sister Aina, welcome to 99 FM.
Thank you for having me.
Let's start with it. Just a conversation. Just tell us more about the importance of cancer screenings.
Okay, so I think you've said quite a lot. So September, we commemorate childhood cancer in Namibia. And as you have put it, the number of new cases are actually increasing. So we see there is a very big need to create more awareness around childhood cancers, especially now to the parents and as well as the caretakers who are taking care of these little children, because they don't know how, or they don't know when to say I'm not feeling well. So it is for the parent or for the caretaker to be on the lookout of certain signs and symptoms that might be familiar to just a normal flu. But a normal flu should not be taken lightly in a child. And childhood cancer mostly affects, or we're talking about childhood cancer, we're talking about children from birth, in little infants, from 0 to 15 years.
And as far as the screenings are concerned, how often should a child go for screening?
Well, there are cancers that affect children that are also affecting adults, whereas adults, you have cancers that you can go for regular screenings.
And
well, it's not the same for children, because you don't necessarily have a cancer that says, let's say, for example, leukemia in children. You can't necessarily say a child needs to go for a regular screening for leukemia. So the emphasis is on to look out for the signs and symptoms, and we take it from there.
And what are some of the signs and symptoms that we can look out for in the children?
Well, as I said earlier, symptoms might mimic a simple flu. So you might have a child that is excessively tired. They've got blurred vision, or all of a sudden the child cannot see well. They bruise easily, or they have wounds that are just not healing. Discoloration on the skin, or small spots, bluish discoloration under the skin. Or they break easily, the bones are breaking easily. Those could be some signs and symptoms, as well as swellings around the lymph nodes and stuff.
And you know, I don't want to get too much into the key concepts of like just cancer awareness, but any advice that you would like to share with those listening right now, in as far as cancer awareness goes, and just maybe encouraging, or some words of encouragement in terms of just having the passion to look out for and learn and study more about something that, once again, the cases are rising and the numbers are growing, and this is something that if you're closed off to the information, you will be oblivious to. But how can we as a community in Namibia at large raise our awareness for ourselves as well?
Well, I think it's very important first to be well informed, And thanks to the media industry, you guys are our go-to people. When you invite us to come for interviews and talks and raise awareness about cancer, that's a start. And that's what we want to do. So if you're out there, you're listening, you're welcome to contact the Cancer Association, and we can sit and talk, get more information, get more informed. And for the parents or the caretakers that are battling with little children that are having cancer, well, it's not their fault. Well, even if the child has cancer, it's not your fault to say that there was something that you could do to have prevented the cancer. But the Cancer Association is there to help. So instead of just sitting and not doing anything, you are welcome to seek advice and any information that you'd want from your house doctor, your private doctor, or your local nurse, as well as from the Cancer Association. Yeah.
And how can we get in contact with the Cancer Association of Namibia to be just a part of the Yellow Ribbon Festival? Be a part of the raising of the funds and helping of families that are in need, or just to even just get on board and join the Cancer Association in the fight against childhood cancer in Namibia. Where do we go?
Okay, firstly, we are situated in Windhoek West, in John Maynard Street, number 90. And we can be reached at 061-237740.
Sister Aina, thank you so much, for just doing your part in society, and for helping us with our own awareness on this side, and hopefully we can take all this information and go and seek more information for ourselves, and also just do our part for the community. We appreciate your time and your efforts.
Always a pleasure.
And that is MYD Heart on 99 FM.
MYD Heart was proudly brought to you by NHP. NHP, we are about you.